Did you know that you could create Excel spreadsheets that automate tasks and analyze data with ease? That's right, and the best part is, it's all powered by AI and ChatGPT. I'm Professor M. Higazi, and welcome to your ultimate journey into the world of Excel, where intelligence meets innovation. In this course, we're taking your spreadsheet skills to a whole new level. No more manual number crunching, endless formulas, or tedious tasks. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned Excel user, this course will revolutionize how you work with data. We'll cover everything from basic automation to advanced AI-enhanced features. This will include integrating ChatGPT features directly into Excel, leveraging AI tools for intelligent formula building, automating data sorting, and mastering powerful macros. Get ready to explore how AI can turn your Excel sheets into dynamic, data-driven dashboards that save time, increase accuracy, and boost productivity. By the end of this course, you'll be able to handle Excel like never before, using AI to transform the way you work with data forever. Are you ready to elevate your skills and become a leader in data management? Let's get started.